G'day, it's Colin from Wurth. And it's June, and at Wurth Australia, that means our end of financial year, tax time, tool savings. So the kit I've got here for you today is the Wurth Zebra extra long combination spanners. Now they're metric spanners and they go from 10mm up to 32mm, and there's 12 in the set. So let's take a look at the spanners. The first thing you notice is the finish of the spanners. Chrome plated, and there's no sharp edges to cut your hands or give you any sort of grief. You've got a 15-degree angle on the ring spanner side, and what that enables you to do is to put it flat on the bolt, and it gives you room for your knuckles so you don't skin your knuckles when you're undoing something tight. Of course, they're extra long, you can see by the size of them, which gives you that extra leverage. Now, these are all POWERDRIV. A couple of weeks ago I showed you a video on a socket set with POWERDRIV sockets. Today I've got the ring spanners. And what POWERDRIV does is on the head of your nut, rather than it putting all the pressure on the points of the head of the bolt or the nut, it actually secures itself on the flanks or the sides. So there's less chance of slipping or stripping the head of the bolt. So as I've told you, I've been out in the warehouse having a lot of fun trying to pair our specials products with a product that we're going to give you free of charge. And what I've come up with is our fantastic Wurth 6-piece screwdriver set. Now I really love these screwdrivers, and that's why I paired it, because if you've got spanners, you need screwdrivers. So what I do like about these is the two-component handle. You can see the shape of the handle, and it fits into the palm of your hand so nicely, and it allows you to get a lot more torque, or be able to tighten things or undo things a lot more without slipping. You've got a hardened tip as well, which makes them strong, and they don't go blunt as quick. So to get a set of these combination spanners and the fantastic Wurth 6-piece screwdriver set, go to the Wurth app or eShop. Add the combination spanners to your cart, go to your checkout, and at your checkout, put in "G'day Screwdriver" to receive this fantastic screwdriver set. Now this is only available from now until tomorrow night, which is the 28th of June. Now if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page, and this set, it's ready for work.